In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center elements in Webflow to achieve a perfectly balanced design. Whether you're refining an existing design or setting up a new one, mastering this technique will elevate the visual appeal of your website. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your Webflow dashboard and navigate to the design you want to adjust. This is your workspace, and whether it's a robust layout for an e-commerce site or a minimalistic portfolio, Webflow offers a versatile platform to bring your ideas to life. Once the design is open, identify the specific element you wish to center. This could be anything from a heading text to an image or even a more complex component like a div block. A visually centered design helps in maintaining a clean and professional look, making it crucial for user engagement. Spot the element you're looking to center and click on it. Doing so will reveal a set of options under the Style panel on the right side of your screen. From here, the key controls for adjusting and aligning your content are accessible. Scroll down to find the Typography section. Here, you'll see the Align options, which is essential for centering text elements. Simply click on Center to align your text elements centrally within its container. This is particularly useful for headings and paragraphs where balanced alignment is aesthetically pleasing. For other types of elements, you may want to achieve a more comprehensive centering. So let's head over to another section called Layout. The layout settings provide us with various positioning tools, a vital aspect for complex design alignment. Click on the Flex option under the Layout, which enables a flexible box model perfect for centering diverse elements. The flexbox layout is a powerful feature, offering more control and flexibility in distributing space across elements. You can explore and adjust the options available in the Flex settings to suit your design needs. By experimenting with these settings, you might discover new ways to space and align elements that enhance the entire layout. After you're satisfied with how your elements are centered, there's one final step to take. You need to publish your changes to ensure that the modifications are live and visible on your website. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of the Webflow interface. This will prompt a pop-up where you can select from your available domains. Choose the domain you wish to publish these changes to and hit Publish to selected domains. This final step solidifies your adjustments, making the improved, centric design accessible to your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully centered elements within your Webflow design, resulting in a more polished and cohesive look. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial, and I hope your design benefits greatly from these tips. Happy designing!